finished getting ready. I want to do like how I did the photo shoot with the graffiti wall. There's like, I don't know, I've done walks to it. There's a cute little like lake by my house, not a lake, but a pond. Yeah, a pond. So I'm gonna try to take pictures there. We'll see how that goes. But yeah, I just wanted to like actually intro this video because sometimes I forget. But we'll see you guys there. Okay, so I just got home from taking the photos. I put on my Kaylin Nicholson because she literally like always motivates me to get shit done. Like she's just so productive and like I just fucking love her. So I'm gonna go outside and I like how she does like, I don't know, she did a video and it was like morning meeting, so I'm gonna go do that and like write out my schedule for the week at work, what videos I plan to record and stuff, and just sit outside. I brought some more seeds. I don't know what they are, but I'm gonna put those in pots and just chill. I have to work tonight, and I think I'm just gonna do like a day in the life, like full vlog of my whole day, and then put this up tomorrow. But this one wasn't that bad, like this photo shoot, because it was like in a secluded place, like there was no one at the pond. The only thing is, like, the underwear I had on before I left, I noticed you could, like, see it because they were, like, bright pink. You could see them straight through the dress. So I was like, fuck. So I just literally took them off and didn't throw on another pair. And when I was, like, sitting in the grass, there was, like, grass, like, going up my butt. Like, it was just too much. But I really enjoyed it. I got 2 shots. I will include my 2 favorite shots, like, here and here. But that was fun. But I'll see you when I go outside. So, my cramps were horrible, and, like, I literally got on stage, went out back, and fell asleep. In between every single one of my sets. And that's another reason why I love Zach's, because some clubs are very strict about, like, you're not even, like, you're allowed to go back, like, real quick to, like, I don't know, check your face, but, like, they don't let you just sit out back and chill. And, yeah, I'm a pothead for one, so I don't like any club that I can't just go out back and smoke in. And 2, sometimes I just want to take a nap. Like last night. So I didn't get any footage at the club last night. Really didn't do anything crazy besides sleep. It was kind of a slow night. Well, it was a slow night. I think after tip out. Jesus. I walked out with like $80. It was a wicked slow night, but I don't think I have anything crazy planned for today. It's like another gorgeous day out, so I'm gonna go appreciate that. I think I'm gonna finish this vlog off with a walk up Myles Standish, to like a little nature hike, because we've been on like a nature kick, so let's finish it with a nature hike. But I'm gonna like smoke, wash my face, and get ready for that. Okay, so I just got here. Like, I don't even know where to start. I'm just gonna start walking, and I smoked half the blunt on the way here, and once I find a cozy place to settle down, we'll smoke the other half and sit and chat or something. But, yeah, see you on the walk. only girl you know that fucking smokes on walks, you know? Who needs lungs? So I told myself I wasn't gonna stray off the main path just in case I get high. If I can get lost, I at least know that I'm on the main path. But I know the main path was getting boring. I want to find something exciting. So this one seems, it's like not a main path, but it's like not like, I don't know, it's used enough where I think I'll be able to pick it up if I get lost, you know? We'll see. Have to cut a nigga over here. Guys, a snake. There is a snake. On that note, I'm fucking turning around. I don't even know if you can see it, but I'm not trying to get any closer. Ah! Bye. Like, see you later, alligator. I've already worked up my sweat for the day. I ain't fucking with no snakes. I was just like off trail the whole time, like in like free grass. Could have been a snake. I don't fuck with snakes. Oh, no, no, no. I fuck with guinea pigs, and snakes eat guinea pigs. No, no, no. I literally want to run. Like, no, and I don't know types of snakes, so that could have been poisonous for all I fucking know. Ah! Jesus. You guys, I can't walk fast enough. You like literally see the sweat on my lip. If you think this is a lot of sweat, this is like nothing compared to how much I sweat at work. Whew. So to finding a cozy place in my car to smoke, I mean, out here to smoke, nah, ain't fucking sitting nowhere. Let me go back to my car and smoke. See you guys there. I honestly can't believe I found my way out of there. Took a lot of paths I didn't know nothing about. But I did that. Didn't get bit by a snake either. I don't know how much footage I got, but that was literally like 45 minutes, so we'll see. Like literally. Tell me that's not fucking serious. Fucking sweat. I'm probably gonna cruise the blunt on the way home. But yeah, I'm fucking sweating. I just want to drive, let the air blow on my face. But yeah, that was a long walk. I'm proud of myself. I'll see you guys when I get home. So I promise you, I do have a shirt on, freaking. But I don't know if Haley can make it or not, but I'm going out. So I'm gonna end this vlog here. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, guys.